Are you waiting for more beef jerky? Is it good?
She just engulfs that thing.
She's freaking out. Can I have more, Dad? Look at her. She's freaking out.
You buzzing out?
What's the problem?
Lulu likes it. Here,
Sit.
give me a high five. Sit. Sit down. Nope, sit down. Oh. Good girl. Good job. She's...
Nobody else got outside, and nobody else got on you. Nobody else got outside, and nobody else.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome to today's video. It is actually Friday night for me. I don't think I've recorded anything yet. We are at Norris Lake with our friends, kind of like on a little couples trip, and we got here late last night, and then today we spent like out on the dock boating, super fun. And then yeah, it was like totally fun. I'm like, I didn't record anything, it's cool, just living in the moment. And then I checked my phone, and the amount of emails and DMs I had just like super stressed me out. Not stressed me out, just like I was like, oh my god, I have to get to these right now. Like, I don't, obviously, like the ones from my clients are like top priority, and then I try to answer them, like the ones after that, in an orderly fashion, but my clients come first. So I was like answering their emails, and then I saw that Bowmar decided, or they were ready to launch one of their other proteins, the orange sickle, which I'm super excited about. But then I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to post about that, which like isn't the biggest deal in the world. But long story short, I just felt like I needed to work to feel better and actually be able to enjoy myself tomorrow. So everyone else is upstairs. You guys might actually be able to hear the music in the background. Yeah, everyone else is upstairs playing like little drinking games, which I'm not a big drinker anyway, so that's fine. But this is like the reality of owning your own business. I know I get a lot of people who reach out and they're like, you have the dream job, like how, well, I get a lot of questions about how I started my business, which I love answering. Like I'm not complaining because I do love what I do, but I just also want to show you guys like there's benefits and negatives to everything. Like the grass is always greener on the other side. Chris and I have, like, we're a good example of both, like the ideal work situation, or like the very common like 9 to 5, that's what he does. And then I own my own business and I make my own hours, which is awesome. But when he gets home at the end of the day, he's done working. Most of the time I'm on my computer at night when he's getting ready for bed and I'm working. And like right now, when he goes on a trip and calls off and, you know, takes time off, he gets that time off. And when you own your own business, that's not necessarily the case. Which, once again, I'm not complaining. I'm just trying to, like, you know, be open and honest with you guys. That's always how I try to be. And, oh, yeah, today I just opened my phone and I was like, oh my god, I feel like I want to cry. Like, I had such a good day today, but then I just felt like I got so behind with all my work. So I'm sitting on the bed working. Gonna feel a little bit better so then I can just enjoy tomorrow and not be like freaking out when we're driving home on Sunday, because it's like a 5-hour drive and I don't want to get home and have like 10 hours of work to do and literally have to like stay up all night to get everything done. So made the decision to just come down here. Everyone else is having a good time upstairs. And I'm gonna get some work done because I know in the long run this will just like make me feel better and I'll be able to enjoy the day tomorrow. But anyway, enough of that. Hopefully the rest of this video I'll actually like record stuff tomorrow. I have my drone plugged in over there, like ready to go. And yeah, so hopefully I will get some more footage tomorrow. I will try my best. It did start raining today, so I couldn't have flown the drone when I wanted to, but I just wanted to let you guys know this is the reality sometimes. And it's worth it, and I love it still. But yeah, that is it. Okay, I will see you guys in the morning. Hopefully have decompressed a little bit because I have a lot more work done. And we can enjoy like fun lake festivities and water sports. It'll be a good day.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell it, most of y'all is flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's in since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, I came in. Did it like the Porsches coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10, yeah.
Stop it, you're making me uncomfortable.
Tap on the window. Just eating. Wait, get him eating, right, real quick. Oh, watch this bite, Are you jamming out?
Oh yeah.
Just, it was so fun the last time. You really. We just cut all music and sound.
Nice. One more.
My thumb's gripping.